Hello students, in the chemical properties of diborane, a half we have seen in the last video and the remaining we are going to see now. Okay, va? First action of air. Air means oxygen. Okay, va? And the product we must study. The product is boron trioxide B2O3. But one condition is there, at room temperature the purest form of the diborane will not react with oxygen. Okay, only the impure form of diborane will react with oxygen, so that we have to mention. At room temperature, when the diborane B2H6 in the purest form, it has no reaction with oxygen, whereas when it is taken in the impure form, it will react with oxygen, and during that reaction a large amount of heat will be liberated, so that is mentioned in the equation. B2H6 plus oxygen gives B2O3 plus water molecule, and the value of delta H will be equal to minus 2165 kilojoule per mole. Okay, so reaction of diborane with oxygen. Then reaction with alcohol. The simplest alcohol is methyl alcohol. We can take that. So when B2H6 is reacting with 6 molecules of methanol, the product will be BOCH3 thrice trimethoxyborane plus the liberation of 6 molecules of hydrogen. This is the reaction with alcohol. And hydroboration. Okay, hydroboration is nothing but the reaction of diborane with multiple bonded molecules. Either alkenes or alkynes can react with diborane, and this reaction is called as hydroboration. And the solvent used in this reaction is ether solvent. Okay, so it is mainly used in organic chemistry, and it is anti-organic of addition. Okay, so B2H6 is reacting with what? An alkene molecule. At that time a product of this type is obtained. Okay, so hydroboration over, and then reaction with ionic hydrides. Diborane B2H6. Here there are two examples given. One is lithium hydride and the one more is sodium hydride in ether and diglyme solvents respectively. At that time we will get metal borohydrides. Okay, so when diborane B2H6 is allowed to react with lithium hydride, the product formed is lithium borohydride. Likewise, when diborane is allowed to react with sodium hydride, the product will be sodium borohydride. Okay, so with this the reaction with ionic hydride is over. Then this is very important. Reaction with ammonia. When diborane is allowed to react with ammonia, an important compound is obtained, that is diborane diammonate at low temperature. Depending upon the temperature, we are getting two different products. When the temperature is maintained at the lower value, the product will be diborane diammonate, whereas at higher temperature it gives borosol. The borosol has various names: borosol, borosine, or inorganic benzene. In one word it can be asked, the compound which is called as inorganic benzene is DAS. What is inorganic benzene? Borosine is inorganic benzene. Its formula is B3N3H6. Have textbook in your hand and refer the formula. You'll have a better understanding. Okay, so when diborane is allowed to react with ammonia under two different sets of temperatures, at lower temperature the product formed is diborane diammonate, whereas at higher temperature the product formed is borosol. Okay, so with this the chemical properties of diborane over. Once again let me recollect from the beginning all the chemical properties. First one, at a different temperatures the diborane is converted into higher boranes with the liberation of hydrogen. Then with water it forms boric acid, and with alkali it forms sodium metaborate, and when treated with oxygen it forms boron trioxide B2O3, and with alcohol it forms trimethoxyborane BOCH3 thrice. Then hydroboration visa, reaction of diborane with multiply bonded molecules. It follows anti-organic of addition, and with hydrides they can form borohydrides, lithium borohydride and sodium borohydride respectively. And with ammonia at low temperature it forms diborane diammonate, whereas at higher temperature it forms inorganic benzene, that is borosine or borosol. Okay, so with this the chemical properties are over. Then structure of diborane we'll see in the next video. Thank you students, go through and learn well.